Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cassie. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Simon Hurley Create goodies. And there's a lot in here. I'm so excited. As soon as I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness. So had to get to playing, had to, you know, get some swatches going. So yeah, let's just jump right into it because you're just, yeah. Okay, so I have stamps, I have dies, I have stencils, I've got backgrounds. We even have some new Lunar Paste. So let's, oh my goodness, let's pull it all out because there is a ton in here. And yeah, I'm really excited. So let's start with our stencils first. There are 3 brand new stencils. And I really love each one of them a lot. This first one is called Deco Diamonds. That gives me like that 1920s feel. I love it. I think it's beautiful. Very different than I think anything I have in my stash. So that one. Then the other one, I love this one a lot too. This one's called Warped Circles. How much fun is that? Oh, I've got some ideas that include watercoloring and things, so I feel like that's just, I love this one a lot. And then we have this one, which is a layering stencil. It's 2 pieces. It's called Geo Circles. So that's kind of what it's supposed to look like. Let's take a look at both of those stencils. We'll pull those out. This one's going to be fun to use with your Lunar Pastes, or any medium really. Your inks, your Lunar Paste, but check that out. Even by themselves would be super great. Oh, but look at them together. Yeah, that's a winner. Okay, super great. So let me put that back in there. Oh, I love that. I can't wait to get started playing. I already have the ideas going through my head. All right, then we have, now, there are technically, I guess there are 2-ish. So this one is a 4-piece. It's called Paint Swatches. It's rubber mount. I love it. And it's in the size. It's not obviously not a background stamp, but think of the backgrounds that you could create with this one. So beautiful because it kind of almost gives that watercolored look, or depending on what you stamp it with. I just think that's really pretty. Then we have a peel apart. This one is called Funky Chevrons. Let's pull it out so that you can take a look. I like to do them from the top. It just, because I find that when I open up that sticky part at the bottom too many times, which I do, then it doesn't fit. So it's 4 pieces. It looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've got your different chevrons. These would obviously be a lot of fun together, but then separate to have your chevron. Just so many amazing backgrounds to be able to make. And I love doing backgrounds. So that one's cool. I like how they're not like perfect lines. I guess that's why they call it the Funky Chevrons. And then this one is so pretty. This is another peel apart. It's 5 pieces. It's called the Darling Dahlias. We'll open it up. I just got all these things, so I haven't been able to make anything with them yet, but okay, so you've got obviously your big full background. Then you've got a small dahlia, a bigger dahlia, and then it looks like 2 leaves, or this one a bigger one and then a smaller one. And then obviously your big chunk is the 5th piece. But that's a beautiful one too. I really, really like that one. Ooh, okay. All right. Missed something. So with the dahlias, there is a die. And I love that there is a die. So let's pull this out. There's a die set. You've got like a little leaf. You also have these ones that will die cut out your pieces your little pieces that'll come out. Then look at this. So this is going to cut an outline of a dahlia. And you've also, which is going to be this. So if you wanted to die cut that out. Oh, and then that one will die cut the dahlia. Then we have the smaller one as well. So this is like a very intricate die. It's going to cut out those centers is what it's going to do. That's really cool. And then this will die cut the piece itself. So that's super, super cool. I love that so much. Oh, I love that. That's going to be super great. Because I love that floral anyway. It's so pretty. All right, now let's move on to our stamp sets, our big ones. So this first one, there is not a die set for it. It's called Framed Florals, but that's because they're framed. And this is a super easy cutout because they're not like perfectly straight lines, which is really neat. But your sentiments say, just a note, thanks for everything you do. I love you. You make the world a better place. These are great. So it's like a solid, and then you could paint or color the flower itself. This will give you some fun options. And simple cards too, which I really like. Sometimes you just need a quick and simple card, but this I think will pack a lot of punch because I haven't seen anything like that. I like that. Okay, next up is one we have a die set for. This one is called Inked Blooms. Oh, that's cool. So your blooms themselves are inked. Let's see what we got here. Here is our Inked Blooms die set. Let's get this out of the way. Let's move these other ones out of the way so you can really take a look at it. Okay. So all of our sentiments, we've got I'm here for you, sending love, hugs, in celebration of a beautiful life, sending thoughts and prayers, hello, thinking of you during this difficult time. So this is a very good, like, well, all around stamp set, but also sympathy, which I think is great. And I love that, in celebration of a beautiful life. I think that's a very nice sentiment. But here you've got your big, then we've got this one, which is going to cut out these. Then you have this one, which is going to cut out this. And then you have this one that's going to cut out this one. And I like how there's some solid blooms in there. I think that's really, really pretty. We have the words love, you, and thank. So love you and thank you. And then you've got your outline for them as well, which is great. So this is a good stamp set. I love the matching die and how it cuts around those pieces so nicely. So that'll be a fun one to kind of make some cards with. I'm very excited to make some cards with these. Okay, let's move on to our final stamp set with matching die. It's this cutie. This one is the Spring Chicken. And I love it because they've got these like cute little designs on them. Ah, that's so cute. You've got these cute little chicks. This one looking right at you is just making me chuckle. You've got lots of different eggs and you do have a matching die. So let's see what our matching die will cut out. Let's read our sentiments first. Thanks for being so extraordinary. You're one cool chick. So glad you're one of my peeps. Hey chick, cluck, it's your birthday. You're still a spring chicken and cock-a-doodle-doo. Awesome. Okay. I'm already in love. So we've got dies for our chickens. This is fabulous. I'm so happy. A couple of roosters. What is this one? Okay. That one. Got this one. And here. And then we also have several of the chicks. This one that is like my favorite chick of all time. Then we have this little guy, and then we also have this little guy. And then we do have a couple of eggs. So these are obviously going to match, like this one, and this one's probably all going to be about the same size. And then we have this one, which will cut out the double egg. This is amazing. I'm so excited. And think about how those will mesh together with some of our backgrounds and our stencils. That is just fabulous. Very excited about that. So definitely keep an eye out. I want to make things with all the cards, or with all the stamps. I already have so many ideas going through my head. You guys seem to really like those videos where I give you more than one idea for a card. So let's see if we can come up with something like that. So that's great. And then last but not least, we got some brand new Lunar Pastes. I love it. I love it. So slowly but surely getting all those Lunar Pastes. What colors we have? We've got No Diving, Rosy Cheeks. We've got Guppy, which is, I think, one of my favorites, especially after I put it on some paper, and Crown Me. So we've got our purple in there. Let me show you. I guess those are going to run off, aren't they? Let me show you what I have, because I like to swatch mine, because I think swatching is super important. And this is what I have for my swatches. So these are the colors that I have, along with, I'm letting these kind of dry because I did these just a little bit ago. So look at how many colors there are, and I've put them on black and white cardstock because I feel like you need to do that, because there is a difference. But take a look at our colors. We've got, oh, and then we've got one more. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over here. Then we have the Crown Me. So I've started a whole nother one. But you've got 19 colors. There are 19. I think there's actually more than that because there are some gold and silver. But that match with the ink colors that Simon Hurley Create has out. We have 19 here. Does that take care of that? Can't. No, that doesn't take care of all of them. It does not. But check that out. Oh, so let's take a look at just our brand new colors, what they look like. It's so pretty. Okay, so that's going to be our bottom three. But look at our rosy cheeks. So pretty. Let's zoom in a little so you can take a look. So there's rosy cheeks on white and rosy cheeks on black. Then we have our Guppy. Like I said, I think this one might be a favorite. I don't know why. I just really, really love it, especially on the black. The No Diving looks so, oh golly, it's gorgeous. And I feel like it looks super different on the black and the white too. Maybe it's just because that background makes it pop a certain way. And then we have our Crown Me. So there's our Crown Me. We've got our nice purple. And we have, yeah, I'm just happy. Happy, happy. So let's zoom back out. Okay, so there you have all your new colors. Is there a color here that is your favorite? Is there a product here that is your favorite? Are you just like super stoked about what's going on here? Because I can tell you I am. So all the new stuff. Keep an eye out. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe for sure, because I'm going to have stuff out, some cards. I want to make a bunch of cards using the new things. And yeah, be sure to come back. Leave down in the comment section down below if you had a favorite product, what you really can't wait to see me use. Have you jumped on board with Lunar Paste? Tell me whatever you want to tell me down below. And I'm going to let you guys go now because I got to go play. But I'll talk to you soon. All right, everybody. Bye.